Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Ch-8. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 3. Our today's topic is chapter 8, Subtraction of Fraction. EMB page 92, activity 3 and EMB page 94, activity 5. This is our today's topic. Dear students, in this topic we will learn how to do subtraction of fraction. Dear students, I have written 4 questions here. From page 92 I have written 2 questions and from page 94 I have written 2 questions. Okay, dear students, I will solve this question in this class. Okay, let us see how can we do that. Dear students, in the last class of addition we have learned that if the denominator is same, then we have to write only one denominator and we have to add the numerators. But now we have to do subtraction. As we have to do subtraction, just we will do subtraction in the numerator. In all the questions, denominator are same, so we can apply that technique. So right here, dear students, observe that denominator of both fractions are same, that is 5. So we can write only one denominator, that is 5. Now we have to subtract the numerator of second fraction from the numerator of first fraction. It means that we have to subtract 2 from 4. So write the denominator of first fraction at first. Here is subtraction, so give subtraction. Now numerator of second fraction, that is 2. So if we subtract 2 from 4, we will get 2. Here is 5. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood. We can't simplify this fraction, so this will be our required difference. So we can write the answer of question. First one is 2 by 5. Okay, dear students, now see the second question. Dear students, in the second question, notice that first one is not a fraction. This is 1. Dear students, any number can be expressed as a fraction. Suppose 5 is a number. 5 can be expressed as a fraction whose denominator is 1. This means 5 by 1. As if we divide 5 by 1, we will get the quotient 5. So we can write any number as a fraction of denominator 1. We can write any number as a fraction of denominator 1. If the number is 1, that time the fraction will be 1 by 1, or we can write here any one, 5 by 5, 5 by 5, or 9 by 9, which we need. Dear students, now see what we will write in this case. Here the denominator is 9. So we can write 1 as 9 by 9. 1 as 9 by 9. So we can write here 9 by 9 minus 4 by 9. Now see, this is a fraction and this is also a fraction. Now denominator of these two fractions are same, so we can take only one denominator. Now we have to subtract the numerator of second fraction from the numerator of first fraction. Here numerator of first fraction is 9. Here is minus, so you have to give minus. Here is numerator 4, so write numerator 4. Now subtract 4 from 9, you will get 5. Now here is 9. Dear students, we can't simplify 5 by 9. So this is our required difference. So we can write here answer 5 by 9. This is our answer for second question. Okay, dear students, now see the next question. Third question today, 6 by 7 minus 2 by 7. Notice these two fractions. Here both the fractions have equal denominator or same denominator. So we have to write only one denominator. Now numerator of first fraction is 6, we have to write 6. Here is subtraction, give subtraction. Now numerator of second fraction is 2, write 2. That will be, if we subtract 2 from 6, we will get 4. Now here is 7. So this is our required difference. This is our required difference. So we can write the answer here. Okay, dear students, our last question today, that is 7 by 8 minus 5 by 8. 7 by 8 minus 5 by 8. Dear students, notice that in this case also denominators are same, so we have to write only one denominator. Now write the numerator of first fraction, here is subtraction, give the subtraction. Then write the numerator of second fraction. Now subtract 5 from 7, you will get 2. Then here is 8. Now see, both numerator and denominator is divisible by 2, as both the numbers are even. So we can divide both by 2. If we divide 1 by 2, if we divide 2 by 2, we will get 1. And if we divide 8 by 2, we will get 4. So our required difference for the last question today, that is 1 by 4. It means that answer of this question is 1 by 4. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic. Depending on today's lecture, I have given 3 questions for your homework. This is your homework 19. Do this as your homework, submit your homework on next Sunday. Dear students, that's all for today. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe, see you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.